Now on health, the World Health Organization is warning that air pollution is the single greatest environmental health risk, linked to nearly 7 million premature deaths each year. In Nigeria's cities such as Lagos, Port Harcourt and Kano, pollution from vehicle emissions, gas flaring and open waste burning poses the biggest threats, with experts calling for urgent action to improve air quality nationwide. In this report, experts raise concern about the health hazards air pollution poses to Nigerians and what can be done to address them. Trust TV's Bello Musa has the details.
Nigerians' air pollution levels vary from city to city, but most urban areas experience moderate to severe air quality problems. This remains a growing concern, exposing millions of people to health risk.
It is not healthy, really. If the government can do something to assist, it's not healthy. Because the Ebola here often, when rain fall and other, is not healthy for people that are living, especially children.
Air pollution is a transboundary challenge that affects everyone, regardless of location. The big question is whether a transition to clear energy can help Nigeria to tackle this crisis.
Sources of, clean energy transition, it's a very important situation for us here, not just here in Nigeria, but the world at large. If we transit to clean sources of energy, we'll have better quality of air to breathe.
Experts warn that air pollution poses serious dangers to public health, especially for vulnerable groups, saying that without strict measures, the problem could worsen.
To address this air pollution from the industries, there should be law, there should be legislative, that's the government, even the community leaders they have a very big role to make sure that the air pollutions are being controlled.
Now the challenge is that oil is our base, is our economic base. And if you put stop to exploration, you are like putting stop to our economic viability. So we need to define a transition, path before we'll be able to reduce our oil production. So these are some of the challenges, because some of these sources of pollutions are tied to our sources of livelihood. And government is doing its best, but there are windows and rooms for more to be done in order to curb this issue of pollution.
Government can enforce issues related to air pollution regulation through more awareness creation. On the media is very, very important, because there's no way you will enforce the law without the people adjustment on way to avoid and then to adjust to so many issues that they are doing. Human beings keep constructing more issues related to air pollution in our society today. For example, people living close to trash dump area, we pollute the environment. People using animals to roast animal using the waste tire, we pollute the environment. Our irrational activities need to be changed, and these changes can be done through massive awareness to change the people attitude, because it has been in our system of polluting the air pollution. But then human being can be changed through some enforcement, through enforcement of enlightenment, a kind of educating the general public on harmful effects on the role we contribute by destroying and polluting the environment we live today.
They advised Nigerians to embrace tree planting as one of the simplest ways to combat air pollution. Meanwhile, the federal government has pledged to cut greenhouse gas emissions by 47% by 2030. The Ministry of Environment says steps are being taken to improve air quality across the country. Bello Musa, Trust TV News.